Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of September the 20th through the 26th, 2024. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store. Even Giant to Giant can vary per region. So always double check before you just copy the deals. Okay, so we have here a deal on the Snyder's pretzels. They're 2 for $5 with the in-ad coupon. You do have to spend $25 in order to use those in-ad coupons. And today, again, I had done this in a separate transaction. My total was it was like $22 after coupons, and the 2 for $5 coupon still worked. I did earn back 50 choice points. This account was giving me back 50 choice points when I buy 2. Those deals are personalized, and they will vary per user, per account. So I paid $4.50 after getting back the 50 cents and points, or $2.25 each. The pasta is 77 cents. It's a limit of 5. That is a great deal. It's 5 per transaction, so just be aware of that. The salad, this is a pretty great deal. It's $1.99. I can't remember if it's a Friday through Sunday only deal or not. I'll try to remember to have that in the description box, but that's a decent deal on name brand salad. The grapes were $1.27. The green grapes this week, I only grabbed a small bunch because sometimes my kids don't eat them all. So they're $1.27 a pound with the in-ad coupon. I bought it, gave me back 35 cents. So I only paid 76 cents because I only bought, it wasn't even quite a pound of the grapes there. The Jif is 2 for $5. They gave us $1 off of 2 digital. Ibotta is giving back 50 cents on the chocolate peanut butter and only 25 cents on the regular. But if you buy both, you'll get back a 50-cent bonus. So I paid $2.75 for 2 of them, or only $1.38 each. The White Cloud tissues, they are 50% off for 4 of them, so they're $4.39. I thought that was a decent deal, especially when we all just went through a bunch of colds and flus or whatever. We went through like 3 boxes of tissues in just a few days, so needed to stock back up on those. The Kellogg's Frosted Flakes are $1.99 with the in-ad coupon, a 75-cent digital, and 75 cents back on Ibotta. I did have to correct the receipt on Ibotta. For some reason, it wasn't recognizing that. But after I get the Ibotta, it'll be a cost of only 49 cents. We have an instant savings deal, buy 3, save 3. There are lots of products included, so definitely check it out for yourself. The Puffs are $2.50, and the Old El Paso soup are $3. We had $1 off of 2 digital on the Old El Paso, as well as $1 back on 2 on Ibotta. So for all 3 items, I paid $3.50, or only $1.17 each. The Martin's chips, this is a Friday through Sunday only deal. They are $1.99. This is one of our favorites, so I went ahead and grabbed that. I found this on clearance for 69 cents. Always check your little clearance racks. You never know what you're going to find. A lot of times it's things that need to be frozen right away. But what I do, I always tear them off individually and freeze them. That way we can get out the exact amount that we need so we're not wasting. The Yoplait, they're 60 cents on sale this week. We have $1 off of 10 that they just gave us. Now this card, I also had another $1 off of 10 from a while ago and a 50 cent off of 5. They all stacked together, so I paid $3.50 for 10 of them, or only 35 cents each. This is a repeat deal. The cheese is $2.25. If you redeem 125 choice points, you'll get it for free, but you paid $1.25 for it in points, so that's how I look at that. And then this week, they're giving away for 5 points the Fanta. It's supposed to be on the Beetlejuice green apple. My husband would not drink that, but I saw that it was working on the orange soda. However, in my store, they had all of the Coke single serves as tagged as being part of the 5-point freebie. But online, when I was looking it up, it was only working on Fanta. So if anyone wants to confirm that it works on other stuff in store, go ahead and do that, but I didn't want to risk it. And then I just wanted to mention the Chobani, if you have contacted them, they'll mail you coupons. You can just get one for free. Every time I contact them, they always send me at least 2 free coupons. Okay, so here was a point deal. Buy 4, earn 400 points. I grabbed 2 of the string cheese here at $3.50 and 2 of these honey smoked lunch meats. There was other varieties also included. They're 9 ounce at $3.79. I paid $10.58, and then I got, or including getting back the $4 in points. So you're going to be paying like $14.58. Now this card had 40 choice points back when you buy any string cheese. So technically I only paid $10.18, or $2.55 each. It's not like an amazing deal, but there's so much you can do with lunch meat besides just sandwiches. So I went ahead and grabbed that deal. The Turkey Hill is a repeat deal. It's $3.39. When you redeem 150 choice points, it will take off $4.99. So you did pay $1.50 in points. It's a little 10-cent money maker. Last deal is on the Ritz chips. They're $1.97 with the in-ad coupon. You do have to spend $25 to use that. My store still had tear pads out. I found them, I think, a week or two ago for $1 off on the toasted chips. So I used 2 of those and I got those for 97 cents each. All right, guys, so that's it for this week. Some pretty easy, quick deals to do this week. If you have any additional deals you want to add, go ahead and do so in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.